The problem I will be working on today for the post-quiz tutorial number 1 is problem on page 62. On this problem, 4 different times are given, and the momentums at each of those times are given for an object that is moving at an increase with time. They ask you, what can you conclude about the x component of the net force acting on the object during this time? We're giving 5 options. F net x is 0, F net x is constant, F net x is decreasing with time, F net x is increasing with time, or not enough information given. In order to understand this problem, I wrote down the 4 momentums and found that the change in momentum between each of those 4, between P0 and P1 and P1 and P2 and P2 and P3, is a change of 10 kilograms times meters per second. Therefore, the net force is constant. How can I get to this conclusion? If force was not constant, change in momentum would change. And this conclusion, this assumption, could be taken from the momentum principle. If we see the momentum principle, change in momentum is equal times the change in net force times the change in time. As the change in time from each of those momentums or each of those situations is 1 second, the change in time does not change the net force. Therefore, it will always be 1 and it will be multiplied by 1 the net force. Therefore, if the net force does not change from each of those, the momentum change will not change. Therefore, the answer we'll give to this problem would be answer number B, which is that the net force in x is constant.